Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the AI Holly and Market Update for Thursday, July the 5th. Well, I hope everybody had a fantastic 4th of July celebration, celebrating our nation's freedom and our ability to be free in this country. So, welcome back. We did not have a video Tuesday after the shortened market, so it was a very low volume day as was expected, and today and tomorrow probably will be as well. If we take a quick look at the Qs, a little volatility throughout the day here has been the case lately, but you can see we closed on highs and up from on Tuesday, just a little higher than we were on Monday. IBB had a very, very nice day. Some volatility throughout it, but closed near highs. IWM, closed right at highs there. A very, very nice day, and it pulled back to start the day, and then made a nice climb the rest of the day. The spiders, same thing, a little volatility throughout the day, but closed at highs and a nice gain, so we're looking good there. The diamonds, a little more volatility here. We had that red candle on Tuesday before the 4th, a little bit of a hammer candle here. I guess the thing to note is we are sitting right at that 50-day SMA. So the big thing is now going to be, is that going to be resistance, or are we going to break through and get to the other side? So that is probably the most interesting chart we've looked at. GLD, another green day. TLT, green day for it as well. We're knocking on these highs. If you look right across here, we've got this resistance to get through. It's like we tapped on it and then pulled back, so that's at a very interesting point as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look and see what happened with Holly, and once again, we'll take a fast look at Tuesday's. Tuesday ended up with 26 total trades. She lost $1.77, and on the risk one, she lost $2.33. For today, on the Holly Grail, she lost $1.21, but made 79 cents on the risk on. The Holly 2.0, she lost 2 cents. Risk on, she made 90 cents. And the Holly Neo, she lost 82 cents. That was on 22 trades, and she made $5.86 risk on. We'll take a look at some of those trades in a minute. So her total for today was 48 trades, a loss of 201, but a profit of 755 in the risk on. So for the week, she's at 120 trades, 495 loss, 848 risk on profit. Now we'll take a look at those trades that went into it, some of the bigger ones. Her SDRL was her biggest gainer in the risk off category. That was a short trade, and you can see had you held it, you would have even done better with the 62 cents, and I believe that, yes, that is the best in both categories. So a short was the big winner in the Holly Grail. The Holly 2.0, we'll get a quick look here and see what happened there. And SUPV was the big winner in the risk off category, and you can see here it was buyers stepping in, and they sure did. And had you held it, you would have ended up losing some of that profit, and only ended up at 22 cents for the day. And the biggest one, risk on, was the FNKO, and you can see here she only made 8 cents on the risk off, but on the risk on she did make 26 cents. So that was the one there. And now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Holly Neo and see where the big winners were in each category there. And run was the winner for the risk off category, and you can see here, had you held it through, you would have done very, very nicely throughout the day. But TNA was the big winner in the risk off category, and you can see she picked it right here, got out of it here. It was a timed exit, but then it just climbed and it closed very, very strong. The other one that did very good was this SFIX, and she got out early on, and if you held it, got through all this consolidation, then she had a nice recovery after that. So Holly had a good day in the risk off category. Now, I just want to point out how our subscriber growth has been doing. You can see here we actually got started way back in 2010, and we were flat for many, many years. And then in 2014, we started, getting a little bit more aggressive and getting our feet on the ground. 2016 was when we introduced Holly, January of 2016. And then you can see how the growth has pretty much exploded since then. And you can see where we are now, and we are going higher and higher. As you know, I told you about our 4th of July sale. It's 25% off. If you go to this link right here, and I'll put that in the comments, you can get 25% off 1 month or 1 year if you use the discount code that they will email to you. Now, that code is only good till tonight at midnight Eastern Time. So in the event that you miss that, we still can save you 15% if you go to this link here, and I'll put a longer version of this one in. And if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you at least 15% on your first month or your first year. So we have standard and premium plans. You need the premium plan to get the Holly, and that is certainly the one I recommend to you. I want to thank you for watching today, and invite you to follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook or Twitter, StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, I'd appreciate you go ahead, hit this thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment if you see fit. And if it's the first time you're seeing a video from me and you kind of liked what you saw, go ahead, hit that subscribe button there. We'd love to have you as a subscriber to the YouTube videos. And once again, I want to thank you for watching today, and God bless.